Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Detox Dojo. Today we're tackling a topic that's been brewing in all our minds, taking our digital detox game to the next level. Been dipping your toes in the unplugging pool, but craving a deeper dive? We've got you covered. Let's explore 5 effortless, yet impactful, steps you can implement right now to create a more mindful and tech-balanced life. Ditch the phone alarm, friends. Wake up with the gentle caress of natural light or a soothing chime. Dedicate the first precious hour after waking to activities that nourish your soul. Meditation, journaling, a mindful walk in nature. This sets the tone for a tech-free morning, giving your mind space to breathe before the digital waves come crashing in. Remember, a calm beginning equals a calmer day. And social media, news, let's resist the urge to graze constantly. Instead, schedule browsing blocks in your day where you check everything at once. This curbs mindless scrolling and prevents tech from infiltrating your precious moments. Consider apps that limit screen time or websites that track your habits for an extra accountability boost. Remember, batching beats binging. Who remembers the joy of a real book with crisp pages and the scent of ink? Swap e-readers for paperbacks, listen to music on vinyl, or curated Spotify playlists instead of endless YouTube rabbit holes. Reconnect with physical activities like board games or cooking, experiences that engage your senses and offer a refreshing digital detox break. Unplug, unwind, and rediscover the simple pleasures of analog. Designate sacred spaces in your home, your bedroom, bathroom, even your favorite cozy corner as tech-free zones. Leave your phone outside while you sleep, cook, or eat. This creates pockets of peace where you can truly disconnect and recharge, fostering deeper presence in the moment. Remember, your home is your haven. Make it tech-free and serene. Support and accountability are key. Partner up with a friend or family member embarking on a similar digital detox journey. Share your goals, motivate each other, and celebrate your achievements together. The journey becomes more fun and effective when you have someone by your side, cheering you on every step of the way. Find your digital detox buddy, double the detox power. Remember, these are just stepping stones on your path to a more mindful life. Experiment, find what works for you, and adjust your digital detox approach to fit your unique needs. Let's embrace a life where technology enriches, not consumes. Until next time, stay mindful and keep unplugging. Please, share your favorite digital detox tip in the comments below. Remember, inspiration is contagious. Let's spread the love for a balanced tech life.